This is the protection from the old days, like fortress. If somebody was attacking, they were coming from the sea, they first have to cross the water and then they have to climb up the wall here. But on top they had cannons and people with bow and arrows, so they were shooting at the people. And they can also have, see the bridge down there. This they could close or even take away, open, so the people couldn't go. So this is like a protection from the enemies from the old times. A lot of fighting here in Europe before. And we have a fountain here in the middle. I don't know actually what it is. It's looks like some kind of goddess. Have bulls holding the cart after her. I don't know. I can read, but this is in Copenhagen, so but it's a nice fountain, a lot of water. And then we have some tourists here, which I was vlogging, I think. Tourists is everywhere, huh? So we ignore these tourists. We go here to look. And we go right. Nice fountain, huh? Well. And the snake, yeah? The snake is guarding. So don't get too close, huh? Bite you. So bite, bite. Ooh, wow. Careful, huh? All right. And even a church, they have